Hello children, welcome to computer class. And today we are doing back exercises of your lesson 2 classification of computers. So let's begin. Exercise A. Tick right the correct answer. Let's read the first one. The computer that gives us an approximate result after comparison is. Options are A. Digital, B. Micro, and C. Analog. And the correct option is C. Analog. So you will put here a tick mark in front of option C. Number 2. The computer that works on the principle of binary mathematics is A. Hybrid, B. Digital, C. Analog. What is the correct option for this question? The computer that works on the principle of binary mathematics is digital. So put a tick mark in front of option B, digital. Let's read the third one. Example of mobile device. A. Desktop, B. Mainframe, C. Smartphone. Your answer is smartphone. So put a tick mark in front of option C, smartphone. Number 4. A notebook computer is also called a. Option A, smartphone. Option B, tablet PC. And option C, laptop. Children, a notebook computer is also called a laptop. So write a tick mark in front of option C, laptop. Last one, the electronic version of a printed book. A. Facebook, B. Passbook, C. E-book. The correct option is C. E-book. The electronic version of a printed book is e-book. So put a right mark in front of option C. E-book. So we have completed the first exercise. Take the correct answer. Now see the next one. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. In dash computer, all calculations are represented through 0 and 1. Right here, digital. In digital computer, children, all calculations are represented through 0 and 1. So you will write here in the fill up digital. Number 2. Dash computers are the combination of both analog and digital computers. Hybrid computers, right here, hybrid. Hybrid computers are the combination of both analog and digital computers. Number 3. Microcomputers are also called dash. Microcomputers are also called personal computers. So right here, personal computers. See the next one. The first supercomputer was dash. Cray 1. The first supercomputer was, children, Cray 1. We have read about it in this lesson. The first supercomputer was Cray 1. Last one. Dash is a mobile device designed to be worn on the wrist. Smartwatch. So let's write here smartwatch. So with this, we have completed our fill in the blanks as well. Let's move to the next exercise. Give one example of each. Read here. First one is analog computer. So you can write here one example of analog computer. Let's write voltmeter. Voltmeter is one of the example of your analog computer. See the next one, digital computer. You may write an example of digital computer, microcomputer. Microcomputer. See the next one, hybrid computer. You can write an example for hybrid computer, ECG machine. Let's write ECG machine. Next one is supercomputer. Write Cray 1. So with this, we have completed the exercise. Give one example of each. Let's move to the next one. Write T for true and F for false statements. Let's read each sentence carefully and comprehend well, and then decide whether the statement is correct or incorrect. If the statement is correct, we will write T, that is for true, and if the statement is incorrect, we will write F for false. Number 1. Mobile computers are the largest computers. False. So write F. Number 2. Desktop computers can be carried around conveniently. False. So write here F in the box. Number 3. Handheld computer is a small device that fits in your hand. True. So write T here in the box. Number 4. Supercomputers are used in schools and offices. False. Write F in the box. Number 5. Many users can work simultaneously on a mainframe computer. False. So write here in the box F. See the next one. Match the following. So let's read and match them. This column with this column. See number 1, desktop. Desktop is placed on a table or a desk. So match 1 with C. See the next one. Tablet PC. Number 2 is tablet PC. Has a touch screen. So match number 2 with F. Tablet PC has a touch screen. Number 3, e-book. Electronic book. The full form of e-book is electronic book. So match number 3 with E. Number 4, supercomputer. The fastest computer ever made. So match number 4 with B. Number 5, hybrid computer. Combination of analog and digital computer. So here we will match number 5 with A. The last one, mainframe computer. Developed by IBM. Match number 6 with D. With this, we have completed match the following. Time for question and answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the computers classified on the basis of their size. Children, let's write the answer for this question. Supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, and mobile computer. So this was your answer for question number 1. Question number 2. Write a short note on A. Analog computer. It takes different inputs and gives an approximate result after comparison. It works on the principle of analogous data. B. E-book reader. An e-book reader is a handheld device that is used primarily for reading e-book, which are the electronic version of the printed book. Next question. What do you mean by microcomputers? Give an example. Let's write. A microcomputer is often called a personal computer. The most important part of the microcomputer is microprocessor. It is designed to be used by a single person. Example of a microcomputer is desktop computer. Next question is write a short note on mobile devices. Mobile device is used to store data permanently on memory inside it. The size of mobile devices are very small. Tablet PC, smartphones, e-book readers and smartwatches are various types of mobile devices. So with this children, we have completed our question answers. Let us do the last one, application based question. Dear children, listen to this question very carefully. You are going to an adventure trip organized by your school. Which device do you think you should carry that would give you the convenience to use and would serve a variety of purposes? So, which device you must carry if you go out for an adventure trip? A smartphone. You should carry a smartphone with you. So, right here for the answer, smartphone. With this children, we have completed our back exercises of lesson number 2.